guys, so today I have my Boxycharm unboxing for July, and I just got this the other day, so hopefully I already have some videos like scheduled to go up, so this I think is gonna go up next week. But yeah, let me know what you guys got in your July box, and let's just get right into it. So here is, my shirt is probably gonna be bugging me because it's not wanting to stay, and I have massive tan lines. But this is the theme for this month. It is fantasy, which honestly, like, I don't really have anything in here. Like, I know a lot of people are saying that too. I don't really have like a lot of like summery, like oceany products, I guess you would say. But anyway, the first thing that I got is my choice item. My hair is looking like a hot mess. Ooh. So the first thing that I got is my choice item, and I chose the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry palette, and this retails for $50. And this is what the palette looks like. I think the shape is so cool, and I love this like mauve color, and it's like very slim and sleek. I really like the packaging of this. And this is what it looks like inside. It does have a sheet with all the names, but I'm gonna throw that away because they are also printed on the back, which I like. Because I hate it when you have that sheet and like you can't get rid of it because they're the names are only on that, but the names are also on the back if you're wondering. But this is what the palette looks like. You get like kind of a small mirror. I wish it was a little bit bigger, like there's space for it to be bigger, but this is what the palette looks like. It's really, really pretty. These three shades look almost identical. This one is deeper, but like these two look exactly the same to me. Like, I mean, the one in the middle is like a tiny bit deeper, but on the eyes, like they're gonna look exactly the same. So I feel like they should have put something different in there. Maybe like a like pinky toned like neutral to go with like these pinks. I feel like that would be better. And then also these two shimmers, like when they don't catch the light, they look very different. This one is dark and this one is light. But when they hit the light right there, like they look exactly the same. So I haven't tried these on the eyes, so I don't know if they're gonna look different on the eyes, but I feel like those two are also gonna look very similar as well. But I'm still really excited about this palette. I love the packaging. I think the colors are really pretty. I just think they could have put different shades in for a couple of them. But let's do, we'll just do like one matte. This is like the darker transition brown, orangey brown. It's pretty. And then we'll do a couple shimmers. So we got like a purpley one that's really pretty. I haven't swatched these yet. The copper orange. Oh, those are like butter. Those shimmers are really nice. So I do think these are going to be really good. Those shimmers look really, really pretty. I swatched these two and that one. Those shimmers are really, really nice. And I think those mattes are gonna be nice too. So I'm excited to start playing with this guy. And like I said, this retails for $50. Okay, and then next is actually the last makeup product, at least what I consider makeup. And then the next three are more skin, well, we'll just get into it when we get into it. But this is the other makeup product I got, and it's the Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder. So this packaging is so cute. I already took it apart, but like this is what it looks like. It's like a little bag of flour. And it has like an ingredients list. Like it looks so cute, and it's, I don't know, I think that's just super cute. I love the detail. But this is what the powder looks like. I mean, this gets talked about a lot on YouTube, so I'm sure you've seen it before. I've never tried it, and I'm excited to. You guys know, am not a huge loose powder person. I prefer pressed powder. But we'll definitely give it a shot. This is what the inside looks like. I haven't taken the sticker off yet. But I'm excited to try this guy, especially since it does get really good reviews on YouTube. And that retails for $24. Okay, next is I would consider kind of skincare. This might be something that other people would consider makeup as well. This is from Basic Beauty, and it is a lip oil. So I kind of just consider this like skincare, like lip care. I'm not gonna put this in my makeup spreadsheet. I got the shade Summer, and this is what it looks like. And it's just kind of like a light pink, but obvious, or purpley pinky. But it just kind of is clear when you put it on. I've used this a couple times and I really like it. The applicator is super tiny. I wish it was a little bit bigger. Let me show you the one we got. So this is the KAB Beauty one that we got in a few months ago. And this is the one with the super like huge wand. We'll compare them because this one I feel like is tiny and the other one I feel like is huge. So wow, those, like, look at the difference between the two. So I feel like they should both just be like in the middle, like super tiny, super big. But either way, I still like the product. I've only, like I said, I've only worn this a handful of times. Honestly, like twice, because I got this box yesterday and I put it right on. And I like it. It feels really soft. It feels smooth. Like, it doesn't feel sticky, but it also doesn't like run everywhere. So I'm excited to try this out, and I'm going to put it up in my makeup tower with this one. That lip oil also retails for $18. I don't think I'd pay $18 for it. It's pretty small. And also, like, if I'm gonna buy a lip oil, I'll probably just buy a cheap one. But if we keep getting them, I'm not gonna have to buy one. Okay, so we have another skincare. I guess we can consider it skincare. And we have one hair care product. So, let's see. For skin, we got the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. This goes with the sea theme, algae eye patches. That's kind of interesting. And they are called Gel Skin. This is what the little tub looks like. And I've heard some good things about this. I've watched people doing reviews on this stuff already. It comes with a little spatula. So it comes with a little spatula to help pull the masks out, and that's what they look like. Ooh, dripping some algae water. So I'm excited to give this a try. Let me clean this up. Yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. I've actually was craving an eye patch like a few weeks ago, and I didn't have any. So when I went home to New York, I grabbed some that I had at home. But now we got more. So I'm excited to give these a try. And these retail for, oh my gosh, $49.99. So $50 for this tub of eye masks. I wonder how many you get in here. I wonder if it says. It just says leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Does it say on here anywhere? Oh, 30 pairs. So that's pretty good. So that's like what? $1.50 each, if that's like quick math. That's probably not even wrong. Or that's probably not even right. That's probably way off. Okay, so like $1 a piece would be $30. So this is 50. So then you need like, so a little more than $1 a piece. Which is kind of expensive. But yeah, I'm excited to give these a try. I'm gonna put those in my bathroom. And then my last product is this, oh gosh, I can't pronounce that brand. It's a leave-in conditioner. This is the brand. I'm not even gonna try to say it right here. Outre, I don't know. And this is an 8-in-1 plus CBD. And it is a leave-in conditioner. And this is what this says, because I had to read about this one a little bit. It says, this leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one. Enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. So I'm excited about this. I always use a leave-in conditioner like after I get out of the shower. And I've been really into CBD oil for like pain relief. So I'll be interested to see what it will do to my hair. It's a really big thing kind of coming around these days. Yeah, so I'm excited about this. It's kind of a small little bottle. It retails for $30 and you get 4 ounces, which isn't bad, but I just know for me personally, I go through leave-in conditioners very, very quickly. So I am excited to try that guy. That will move to my bathroom. And that is everything for July. Oh, actually, that's everything for my July box, but I did pick up some things in the add-ons last month. Let me grab them. Okay, so first, I did use my points for this item. This is the Kapari Starry Eye Balm. And this, let's see, this is what it looks like. I did try it on when I first got it, but I haven't like used it consistently or anything. So it just says dab around eyes from coffee to cocktails. That's all it says for directions. Let's read the box. Again, it just says dab under eyes and brow bones, works beautifully under or over makeup 24/7, 365. Right. Okay. This hydrating coconut eye balm delivers a dose of caffeine to depuff, illuminate, and plump tired eyes. So I'm excited to give this a try. If I can open it, this is what it looks like. And it's definitely like harder and thicker than I thought it was going to be. But I'm excited to try it. Let's pull. I feel like it's kind of weird to do over makeup, but okay. Interesting. Okay. But yeah, I'm excited to start using this. I guess I'm gonna keep the box so I can remember what it does. And like I said, I used my points for this, so I just had to pay like $1 for shipping. And then the next 3, or the last 3, are what I got in the add-ons for like last month's add-ons. I didn't buy anything this time. I was doing really good. I wanted a few things, but I didn't let myself buy anything. I do have one more product that should be on its way that I bought with points. And I did that a long time ago. Not a long time ago, but like it should have been here for this update, I would say. But I'll put that in my next Boxycharm unboxing. Anyway, all right, these are the 3 things I got with points. I don't remember prices because they never send like a little paper. But first I got from Kaja the Don't Settle Flexible and Seamless Concealer. I want to say this was around $6. So this is what it looks like. It's the Don't Settle Concealer. This was the lightest shade they had available, and it's pretty dark. So that's kind of like a mistake on me. I shouldn't have bought it, but we'll try it. Once I get more tan, I think this will work as more of like a all over the face concealer, not an under eye concealer. So we'll give it a try. But yeah, it is pretty, it's a little dark, but I'm hoping that I can make this work. Okay, and then the next makeup product we got was from Natasha Denona, Fancy. I want to say this was $12. I could be mistaken. But this is the All Over Glow Face and Body Shimmer Powder in the shade, I think medium is what I chose. If I could open it. let's see. Yes, I got the shade medium. So this is what the packaging looks like. So pretty. And here is the powder. This is like a highlighter, is what I would use this for. And it's more of like a really natural, like everyday highlight. Again, a little dark, but it'll definitely work. And it's just so glowy. It's not super like intense shimmery, but that's gonna be really pretty, just kind of for like every day over the summer. And I'm excited to try this one. I know that, I don't remember if it's this exactly. I think this one gets a lot of good reviews on YouTube. So I'm excited to try that one out. And then I got one skincare product, and this is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. I have so many blackheads on my nose that just like refuse to go away. So this is what it looks like. I'm hoping that this will help if I can really like dig it into my nose. And yeah, I'm excited to try this. I don't remember the price. I think this was like $9, but this is what it looks like. It's kind of like, I don't know if you can really tell, but it's like a light pink with little scrubby bits. It doesn't really, I can't really smell because my allergies, but it doesn't really smell like anything. But it says it's powered by pink salt and volcanic sand, witch hazel. And witch hazel. And this deeply exfoliating scrub helps purify pores and minimize the look of blackheads. There's raspberry leaf, pomegranate, lots of good stuff. So we are gonna put this right in the shower and give this a try. But that is going to be everything that I have for this video. Next month won't be as long because I didn't buy anything. So I hope you guys liked this video, and definitely like, comment, and subscribe down below for more, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.